Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this MK46. So this is coming for repairs. The magazines not feeding or not working well. So we've removed one of them and replaced the cog on the other. The gluing on both of them when we did it failed on one, so we've like I said, replaced the cog on that one. But obviously the other one becomes a problem of labeling which one's got the cog on, and what happens again, the cogs are available on our website and they are literally press on with the thumb. So press fits long term, but this is the main thing is that we can test today and everything works. Our initial build come up too hot on the gun, which is crazy. MK46 too hot. I know, terrible. Most people are, especially overseas, 400 FPS limits and stuff, so they were killed for that. So, but no, it's too hot. I'm up to 6, and we've had to bring that down. That was it's now 342 on 0.2s and 284 on 2.8s. And obviously, 2.8s at 284. That's nice. So that's pretty good. The thing I'd say is that obviously, if you wanted to go more, you might have to push it to 32s, which could be an expensive day. It's a difficult thing with these support guns is, obviously if I was running this car, say for instance, as a DMR, I'd obviously want to run the heaviest ammo possible to make sure it's the most accurate as possible. If I was running just this normal full auto gun, I'd still try and run the heaviest ammo possible, like 3.2 for the weight. The 3.2s would make this gun more accurate, so, but it's 1,000 rounds, so it could be an expensive day out, with the MK46 obviously plan to tub after tub of 3.2s. On the other hand, if you were getting more accurate kills, would it, you need as much ammo? So, food for thought, So, but yeah, so we're obviously going to test it today. So we've done a power spring, one space. We've replaced the motor with the Warhead brushless 27K motor. Obviously, I'd really love to try a 35K at one point on a build, but we're still in a difficult position with regards to these and not having them. We've got more obviously with our new piston. That's covering one thing, and obviously at some point we'll obviously we'll develop more parts for these and support them more and more. And then, like I say, one day it'll just be so many parts available that we're like, well, yeah, we can push every boundary and stuff. It doesn't matter if those original gears break. But at the moment, the faster we make them run, the more vibrations are created, and the more potential chance there is for cast gears to crack and disintegrate. And so, I mean, it's not to say that it's invincible. At its current speed, we can't just drive around like really slowly with these things, just like saving tires and stuff on a car. Sometimes you just gotta drive it and accept that wear and tear happens, but we've obviously installed a 27K, which is a nice snappy motor, and obviously increases battery life because of the Warhead motors being fantastically economical. And we've also put our new EagleSix bearings on there, so we've got basically two 6mm Japan bearings in there, and we've got four custom Japan bearings in there, if you know what I mean, for the MK46. And we've our first set that we tested failed, but we actually traced with the supplier. They actually came from China, so obviously we've ordered new ones, if you know what I mean, same specification, but this time we've gone over the actual supply chain, and we've made them 100% confirm, if you know what I mean, that they are Japan-made bearings. We all know obviously the strength that comes from quality, well-made Japan bearing. The Prometheus one is just an example. Fantastically low, no failure rate for 6mm bearings, whereas obviously you fit a China 6mm bearings, you can take the knife into your own hands. So obviously we've got those going in there. So there's only about 4 guns now, I think, in the world, that have actually got these bearings installed. So yeah, it's a low test rate on them, but we're pretty confident. obviously we know for a fact that the original bushings do break eventually, so you know, really not much choice there unless companies like Retro Arms somehow start making their bushings again, you know, or another company steps in. But we're pretty happy with the product, and obviously if it has the longevity, which we hope that they do, we're obviously going to sell them en masse, and hopefully we'll have obviously a fantastic product for every gun really, because you wouldn't want, you know, bearings inside there that go for performance. They're low profile, they're you know, easier to shim. Obviously they're increased speed. Just a great product, you know. So, but yeah, obviously enough of me talking. Here's time to demonstrate it, because that's all the parts that have gone into the gun, and we just want to test it working. There we go, pretty solid test. So obviously we know that the gun's sound and working, so obviously if you do get you know, stoppage issues on this, we know that obviously none of the stoppage issues are coming from any of the sensors that are on the actual gun. We know that any stoppage issues is actually going to be coming from a magazine itself. And obviously this magazine number 2 is fully tested there. We're going to test number 1 off camera and just make sure that's all good to go all the way to the end as well. And then obviously, you know, the future, you know, as we use these things, and wear and tear happens on these products and stuff, and for obviously anybody else watching and stuff, that's basically our process that we'll go through. Yeah, obviously, you know, it's kind of the same testing really. Either send the magazines back in, you know, for servicing, and or, you know, the actual gun itself. But yeah, hopefully, obviously, we're all good, and you know, everything's all good and exactly what you want on the build, and we can get this back to you. So, but yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Okay, thank you.